billionaire so freaking bad. Buy all of the things I never had.
We're here with the man, Travie McCoy, at the Bank nightclub. How you feeling, brother?
I'm good, man. Actually, I have a cold. I lost my voice yesterday from performing outside for Fox, but it is what it is, you know what I mean? I'm gonna rock it tonight, you know?
Hell yeah, now everyone is so excited to hear you perform your single, Billionaire. You're on top of the world. How does that feel?
Being on top of the world? I'm scared of heights, you know what I mean? I'm enjoying myself, you know what I mean? It was a great year. 2011 is going to be amazing, you know what I'm saying? We're working on a new Gym Class Heroes record right now. I'm excited, man. Excited.
It's a pretty auspicious day, 1/1/2011. What do you got going on in 2011, or what's your resolution?
The fact that we're here in the 2000s is an accomplishment in itself, you know what I mean? The way we're treating this world, but I mean, I'm just taking it a day at a time, you know what I mean? I'm scared about next New Year's, you know what I'm saying? 2012 is we'll talk about that next year.
All right, thank you so much.
Salutations, your boy Travie McCoy, and I'm here at the Bank nightclub.